Give me a random motivational quote. Boom! The future belongs to those who believe in the power of their dreams. Hi there, in today's tutorial I would like to show you how I built the mini ChatGPT with Flutter. So if you're interested and happy to see this build, consider subscribing, like and share the video as well. That's it, let's jump right in. So I started with a text generation screen widget, which is the stateful widget, and also created a prompt controller for getting the user input and also the generated text variable. I proceed with a function that will generate the text, and it's going to be an asynchronous function and takes in the prompt as an argument. So within that function, you need to have access to your API key and also the endpoint, the API URL endpoint. Then create a response variable and await and call upon our post method and pass in the API URL, the first argument, and the second argument is the header. So with the header, you need to specify the content type to be applications/JSON and also the authorization to be bearer. Then you pass in your API key. So once you have that set up, the next argument is going to be the body, and that's going to use the JSON encode, and we're going to pass in our prompt and also our mask token. And the model is going to be test DaVinci 003. That's the model. So first of all, check if the response status code is equal to 20, which means okay. We transform the response body to an object and return the text, else we throw an error that it failed to generate the text. So that's the function. So within the scaffold, I provided an app bar with a test of text generation and also gave it a background color as a dark color. And also with the body, I started with a single child scroll view with the column as a child that has been wrapped within a padding widget. So the column is going to take in the text field and also the elevated button, as you can see it over there. And also we gave some silence with the text field and also accept the prompt controller. And so give some space between the text field and also the elevated button. So with the onPress, I modified it to be an asynchronous function and set state and initially assign loading to the generated text variable just created. I also created a test and call upon our generate text function and passing out the prompt controller text, and later on set the state and assign the text variable to the generated text. So I created a sized box with a height of 50 and made a conditional checks in here. First of all, checks if the generated text is not equal to null, we return a row widget, else we return an empty text. So if the generated text is not equal to null, we return a row widget, and row is going to take in the children, and the first child of the row is going to be the image, and also pass in the text, and it's going to contain our generated text and give some styling to the text. So let's give it a try. I'll start with hello, generate response. As you can see, loading. Hi there, how can I help you? So proceed with the question. What is the capital of Ghana? Let's see the response. Generate response. There we go. The capital of Ghana is Accra.